Good morning, YouTube. I am going to go to the gym and show you a good workout that's gonna get you right and tight for summer. And I'll also do a home version of like a workout, so just in case you don't have a gym, I can show you one that you can do at home. But I'm really trying to lose weight because for my birthday, I gained a little bit of weight, not too much, but enough where I can notice it. And I'm really trying to go down. Like my goal is 150 to 155. And right now I'm like 162, so that's way over my goal. I think I'm gonna go to the gym a little bit more. I think I'm gonna go on my bike more because when I was biking every day, I was losing the weight more. Let me sit y'all down. So when I was working out consistently, I saw like I was on the bicycle and then I stopped doing that. I'm gonna get back to doing more cardio to try to get some of this loose belly fat. So come with me to the gym. Okay, today's workout is consistent of lower body with abs and cardio. You're gonna start off with 5 minutes of cardio to warm up the body so you can get a really good stretch. I don't recommend stretching before doing the cardio because your body will thank you later. And then after the stretch, we're gonna really get into that workout. You can do the workout in any order, honestly. It's just making sure that you keep up with the reps, having a break in between 30 seconds to a minute. This workout is really great for if you want to get toned legs and get that booty real nice and tight and firm, and as well as getting those abs. Like I said in earlier videos, I'm really trying to get a six-pack, really try to have my body defined, and I've been doing these workouts for quite a long time, and I've seen the results in about 3 to 6 weeks. Like you can see a noticeable difference. Okay, so I am cooking eggs and greens from Chef Gregory, Everyone's Table, Global Recipes for Modern Health. I've got my oven preheating. It's supposed to be preheating to 450. I've got a cast iron, it should be big enough. I got some Swiss chard, some kale, flaky salt, which this took a while for me to find. Some bread because I'm gonna toast bread for everybody. It didn't call for mushrooms, but I want mushrooms. I'm gonna put tomatoes in it as well. I got my basil, dill, some thyme, and then this is baby kale underneath. My eggs, chili pepper, and ginger. Okay, chopped up my stem. That's 2 eggs. That's 3 eggs. That's 4 eggs. That's 5. That's 6. Okay, and then the finishing touches, I added some dill, and voila!